Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate realistic images and art using AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva desktop version. You can download and install in your system. This is free. Don't forget to sign in with your account. And here you can click on and click all apps. Here we go. This is the DALL-E image generator by OpenAI. Generate realistic image and art using AI. So here we go. Create image quickly and easily with DALL-E, the AI image generator from OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT. So let's create by click use in new design. And here we go. This is the example. Try an example made with DALL-E. Horse riding, astronaut, digital art, an armchair in the shape of an avocado. So here we go. You can try something here. Let's try a dragon crossing the road and generate. So there will be two results here, and this is the result. Not unexpected, but yeah, this is worth to try. This is like dragon lizard here, and this is like a Chinese New Year dragon, or we call it Barong Sai. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.